Determine whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Our two lines are y equals 3x plus 2 and y equals a negative 1/3 x plus 7. So let's go first through and see, are they parallel or are they perpendicular? If we can't show either one, it must be neither. So parallel lines have the same slope. Well, the slope of our first line in our form y equals mx plus b, it's the m value, and our first line has a slope of 3. Our second line has a slope of negative 1/3. And so, since these slopes are not the same, we know they are not parallel. They have to be the same slopes for this to be parallel, okay? So, it's not parallel. Don't worry about that. Now, perpendicular. If the slopes are negative reciprocals of each other, then they are parallel slopes. So let's take our first slope here, 3. The negative reciprocal, okay, we put a negative, so it's a positive, it becomes a negative, and the reciprocal, instead of 3 over 1, it's a 1 over 3. And these slopes would be perpendicular. But if you notice, that's what we have right here. The slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. We can even flip it back the other way. If we take a negative 1/3, I first, let's say, apply the negative. So we make that negative 1/3 to be a positive 1/3. And then we do the reciprocal part, 1/3, flip it, 3 over 1, which is a 3. So they're negative reciprocals of each other. So we can say that these two lines are perpendicular. So these two lines are perpendicular.